What's up, guys? And today we're gonna place you in the fridge. Right, I'm opening it. Let's put you guys in. Alright, I'm gonna place you there for a few seconds. See you in a few minutes.